Hey guys and girls, what's up? My name is Hannah and in today's video, it's kind of a special video because it's a collab with Anna from CuteRandomDIY. We're both gonna be doing bullet journal setup for February. Like so cringy. So we both chose a theme for each other. I chose a theme for her and she chose a theme for me. She is actually a YouTuber who does any kind of DIY, maybe some fashion videos, like similar videos to mine. You should really check her channel out. I'll also put a link in the description of her video and her channel. Now let's of course see what theme Anna chose for me. I'm really excited.
Hello, I'm CuteRandomDIY and for you, Hannah, I chose the theme mushrooms. You don't have to use any color in specific, just use mushrooms. And I also sent you this picture with a little inspiration and I'm really excited. So, good luck!
So I got the mushroom theme. I really like it. It's like colorful, fun. I think it's gonna be so great to create something new. You will see in Anna's video I chose two themes for her. So if you want to see my February setup, just keep watching and let's get started. So we're gonna start with the cover page. Because Anna chose a mushroom theme, I'm gonna draw a bunch of mushrooms on the first page and I'm gonna color them with many different colors. I also wrote February, of course, because this is a February bullet journal, and you know, just started coloring and drawing. So for drawing I'm using colored pencils and colored fine liner pens, and for writing I'm using liquid ink rollerball pen. I hope you got it. No. Look. So I'm finally done with the cover page. Now let's move on to the next one. These two pages are going to be the calendar. There's not much to explain what I'm doing because it's so simple, so you can just watch and enjoy. Here I started drawing little symbols for the key, present for birthday, a star for any kind of celebration, triangle for trip, exclamation mark for the exam, and a circle for any kind of events. So this month I decided for bigger numbers. I think it makes it more kind of like more special or more fun and cute. I just like it, I don't know. Like you see, I wrote the quote, drew a little picture, and now I'm gonna decorate the top part. I don't really know what I was actually doing. I didn't have anything planned. I just went for it, and this is how it looks. This page is for the habit and money tracker. I made a table for the habit tracker and I hope I'm gonna use it and not leave it all empty because that would be so sad. Excuse me. No, sorry. So I made this spread for saving money and wrote the quote, "Save money, woman." Yes, I know. And this is the list of what I've listened, watched, and read in February, and I can't wait to fill it up! So these two pages are all done. I really hope you like them. And now let's move on to the last page. I'm so freaking excited. Holy weekly spread, Lee. So I decided for the upright weekly spread. I think it's more useful for to-do lists, and yes, I think it's really cool. I sadly couldn't film the rest of the process because my phone died and I couldn't film. I'm so happy that I'm finally done with the setup, and now let's see it all again. So I finally made my bullet journal setup for February, and again thanks to CuteRandomDIY, to Anna for choosing this theme. I really liked it, and of course check her video, check her channel out, check her creation. And also I can't wait to make more videos with you, and it's really fun. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make any kind of videos, so anything that comes to my mind. So that's all for today, and I hope we'll see you soon. Bye!